Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am making the most delicious potato peanut salad from 30-minute Indian. It's going to be ready in 30 minutes. It's the most gorgeous looking, beautiful, whether the sun is not out like today or whether it's sunny and beautiful. You want to serve it with some barbecued chicken or some barbecued vegetables. This is great, or some dal rice, whatever. This is a wonderful recipe, so let's cook it quickly. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Let's get going. I have got here a total of 500 grams. As you can see, some are very baby and some are a bit big. So the cooking time for this is going to be different to that, and we can't do that. So I am going to chop up the slightly bigger pieces, and then all of them are similar size. And I want this ready in 30 minutes. These are new potatoes, which are right now in season in the UK. So get yourself some of that. And if you grow some of it yourself, let me know in the comments. So just chop it up. So I always cook potatoes in cold water, bring it to a boil, and then it takes around 5 minutes for this size to cook. It should not take longer. Just put enough water to cover the potatoes. This is only going to take maybe 2 to 3 minutes to come to a boil. So I just want to show you that it's bubbling away. It took 2 minutes. Now I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes. Not until it's fully done, but just till it's kind of almost done. Now with these 30-minute recipes, the key is that if there are other things to be done in the recipe, when something is being done, you move on to the next thing because you've got free time. I need to get the oven ready for this. So I'm going to get this to 200C or 180 fan. I always try and remember to give you both the temperatures, whether it's a fan or a non-fan oven. So that I have just got 5 minutes for the potatoes. The oven will be ready in 5 minutes. I'm just going to get the spices and other bits ready. So I have got a baking tray. I'm going to put 2 tables, not too much, just 2 tablespoons of, I'm using some olive oil. You could use sunflower, rapeseed, whatever you like. And once this is in the pan, I'm going to put this tray into the hot oven for 1 minute. It has been 5 minutes. I just want to show you how the potatoes should be. Let me get this piece. So this is a bigger piece and it should be cooked but not fully cooked. So look how easily it slides off, which means it's kind of almost ready. I'm now going to quickly drain this. So now the oil is a little bit hot. The potatoes are drained and hot. And just toss them. And now this is going to go in that really hot oven for 15 minutes. So while the potatoes are in the oven, I'm going to move on to my next bit, which is preparing kind of the dressing or the spices. So I have got just over 50 grams of handful of peanuts which are not roasted. So I need to roast them, and I'm just going to dry roast them for 2-3 minutes. So all of this prep will be done while the potatoes are in the oven. And while these are roasting, I'm just going to thinly slice. Maybe you can take 1 or 2 onions according to your choice. Also, you can see that the skin has started to rip. It's got a bit of color and I can really smell the peanuts. I'm going to move this into a pestle and mortar. Back to the pan, I'm going to use the same pan, haven't washed it, going to add 2 tablespoons of the same olive oil that I used for the potatoes. Now goes in a teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of mustard, then the onions. It's been a couple of minutes. I don't want too much color. I only want to cook this for 5 minutes, but I'm also going to add a few good fresh curry leaves. And I am also going to crush the peanuts. I don't want them whole. I don't want a powder, but I just want them broken up. So pestle and mortar is perfect to do this. Now, if you're not fond of the peanut skin, you can take it off. I absolutely love it. So this is going nowhere for me. But if you want, you can take it off. You guys will love this salad. It's such a beautiful, quick, delicious Indian salad and just Yeah, you'll keep wanting more. There it is, all broken up, goes in the onions. Now I'm just going to cook this for another 2-3 minutes. So basically a total of 5 minutes for the onions. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Beautiful. Now in the 2 minutes that the onions are cooking, I'm going to chop up some herbs. So I just need a few mint leaves, not the stalks, just the leaves. Not too many, otherwise it'll become very strong mint flavor. I just wanted gentle mint flavor. I'm just gonna give it a chop. Some extremely sad looking coriander, but that's all I have at home. If you have fresh green chilies, please add them. I haven't got any and I wanted to shoot the video, so I'm just shooting it without the onions. Herbs are ready, they'll go in the onions. So in goes the onions. And now turn off the gas. Don't want to burn the herbs, and I'm going to check on the potatoes. That looks incredible. Right guys, the potatoes are ready. Look at that. I'm just going to add some salt to this. So I need a teaspoon of chaat masala and just around half a teaspoon of salt. Because I haven't had green chilies, I'm going to add a bit of chili powder and a final mix. Oh my god, this just smells incredible. Right guys, I cannot wait to serve this. Just look at it. Oh, this is gonna be so good. It smells fresh. I'm going to serve this with some chicken on the side. But like I said, you can just serve it with some cumin rice. Wrap it in some parathas or wraps. Take it for picnics. Do whatever. Enjoy it. That is so good. The peanuts are magic in this recipe. All those herbs, the curry leaves. Hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe and come back. As you know, the written recipe is in my book, which is packed with 30-minute meals. So I will leave the link in the description. Bye for now.